Vidyasagar Preschool, JP Nagar family. I am Shrinika. We from Prep 2D section. I discovered, explored and had loads of fun. I joined preschool in 2022 with tears in my eyes as I was going to be away from my mother for the first time. It was also the first time that I was being outside due to the pandemic. However, the teachers in VSPJ welcomed and cared for us with open hearts and arms. My fear soon turned into eagerness and excitement to come to school. In these 3 years, I enjoyed the various activities which not only imparted skills, knowledge, but was also joyous. Me, Radhika ma'am, VSPJ stands for valuable, precious, sacred, joyous part of my life. We all love you. A special word to my dearest class teacher, Vandana ma'am. Your presence completes my day. You will be missed terribly. I love you a lot. To conclude, I would like to say when we started school, this day seemed far away. Now it is here through all your encouragement and guidance. Dear teachers, you have prepared us for the adventure of tomorrow. Thank you.